Precision at its peak, thousands of units are born every hour in this relentless calculated fusion of raw power and secret ingredients. Forged in extreme heat and shaped by immense pressure, from a single drop to a global phenomenon, we witness the birth.
At the break of dawn, the journey of Sting begins at this massive industrial.
Logistics fuel the start of high-scale production, bringing in the raw power needed to sustain a global brand.
Tons of raw ingredients arrive daily, each pallet a crucial brick in the foundation of the energy formula.
Organization is key in this complex supply chain, where every movement is timed to perfection.
Secret extracts and vital energy boosters are stored in temperature-controlled environments to preserve their potency.
Purity is the foundation of every drop, and the water used is treated through a rigorous multi-stage filtration process.
The water undergoes reverse osmosis and carbon filtration, ensuring it is a blank canvas for the flavors to come.
Every system is monitored with digital precision, maintaining the exact pressure required for the filtration stage. Ingredients meet in these giant stainless steel reactors, where the complex base formula is heated and agitated.
Heat activation and high-speed blending bring the signature energy base to life at the molecular level.
Scientific rigor guarantees consistency. The human expert is the final gatekeeper of quality. Every batch is sampled and tested against strict benchmarks for color, clarity, and chemical balance.
Even the molecular structure is scrutinized to ensure that every bottle delivered to the consumer is identical.
The energy spike requires a precise calculation of caffeine and taurine, balanced down to the milligram. Chemical balance is measured in real time, ensuring the acidity and sweetness meet the legendary Sting profile.
A team of dedicated professionals oversees every second of the process, bridging the gap between science and industry.
Automation is only as good as its calibration. Every sensor is checked multiple times during a single shift.
The signature Sting Red begins its journey through miles of specialized piping toward the carbonation towers.
A vital blend of B vitamins is added to the mix, enhancing the energy profile of the beverage.
The factory floor is a masterpiece of moving parts, where every component has a specific path.
Controlled heat is used to dissolve the solids, creating a perfectly smooth and stable energy concentrate.
Continuous agitation prevents sedimentation, keeping the formula perfectly blended before the cooling stage. Solubility is tested to ensure that the energy boost remains consistent from the first sip to the last.
After the heat of the mix, the syrup must be rapidly chilled to prepare it for the carbonation process. Extreme temperatures are managed with absolute control, protecting the delicate flavor extracts from degradation.
Filtered energy base flows toward the final stages, moving through multiple layers of microfiltration.
High-pressure systems dominate the facility, a constant reminder of the energy harnessed within these walls.
These massive towers are where the refreshing fizz is born, as carbon dioxide is infused into the chilled liquid. The blending ratio is the secret to the perfect taste, a precise harmony of concentrate and purified water.
Rapid blending ensures that the carbonation is evenly distributed throughout the entire batch.
Flow rates are monitored to the gallon per minute, ensuring the filling lines are never starved of product.
Industrial-scale cooling systems bring the product down to near-freezing temperatures for maximum CO2 absorption. The colder the liquid, the better it holds its carbonation, creating the signature Sting bite.
Stability is achieved at just 2 degrees Celsius, the perfect temperature for the final fill.
The carbonation chamber is a high-pressure environment where the fizz is locked into the formula.
The finished beverage is now ready for its final destination, the high-speed packaging lines.
Storage tanks hold thousands of gallons, acting as a reservoir for the non-stop production cycle. With a single touch, the packaging sequence begins, unleashing a torrent of energy onto the floor. Even in the harshest conditions, the heart of the facility beats with a constant, energetic pulse.
Surplus gas is vented under high pressure, a byproduct of the intense carbonation process.
The facility is a masterpiece of stainless steel, designed to meet the highest global standards for food safety.
Maximum pressure is maintained right up to the point of filling, ensuring a perfect carbonated experience.
The packaging process starts with these tiny plastic preforms, the DNA of every Sting bottle.
Speed is the priority. The hopper can process tens of thousands of units every hour without a single jam.
And they are fed into a high-temperature infrared oven, where the plastic is prepared for its transformation.
Intense heat makes the plastic pliable, turning the hard preforms into soft, workable material in seconds.
Mechanical precision ensures the preform is perfectly centered before it enters the blow molding station.
High-pressure air expands the heated plastic into the final bottle shape, creating a strong yet lightweight container.
Molding happens in a fraction of a second, a miracle of mass production that never stops.
Rapid cooling preserves the structural integrity of the plastic, locking in the final dimensions. Automated inspection systems use lasers to detect even the smallest flaws, rejecting anything less than perfection.
Empty and sterile, the bottles move toward the most critical stage of the production journey.
The heart of the factory is the rotary filler, a high-speed machine that marries the product with its package.
Automated valves ensure the exact volume every time, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. Speed is essential. The window between filling and capping is measured in milliseconds. Mechanical arms deploy caps at lightning speeds, creating a hermetic seal that locks in the fizz.
Final preparation before labeling ensures that the adhesive bonds perfectly to the plastic surface.
Every unit is coded for total traceability, allowing the factory to track its journey anywhere in the world. The iconic branding is applied with surgical precision, wrapping the bottle in its recognizable identity. Heat ensures a snug, permanent fit, preventing the label from peeling even in extreme conditions. The final product is chilled and ready, a perfect manifestation of industrial design and energetic branding.
A river of energy flows toward the final packaging line, ready to be grouped for the global market.
Secondary packaging provides the protection needed for the long journey from the factory to the consumer. Robotics ensure speed without damage, handling the product with a gentle but firm mechanical touch. Stability is key for transport. Shrink wrapping creates a secure unit that is easy to handle and stack. Non-stop production means a constant stream of finished goods, moving like clockwork toward the warehouse. Automatic inventory logging allows the facility to manage its stock with real-time accuracy. A mechanical giant stacks the heavy pallets, organizing the output of the factory into manageable loads.
Stretch film secures the load for the road, preventing any movement during long-distance distribution.
The final step of the internal journey, the product leaves the sterile environment for the real world. The seal is set, and the energy is now contained and ready for its trek across borders and oceans.
From this high-tech fortress to the hands of millions, the story of Sting is one of constant motion and power.
The result of industrial perfection is realized in the simple act of opening a bottle and feeling the rush. Sting,
the essence of energy, perfected through science and forged by the power of modern manufacturing.